Okay. So this is the Hangar 9. This is flown by Tim Jackson. This is the 108-inch wingspan. We've got two 35cc engines. Hello, Lee Harrison. Hello, Lee. Hi, Lee. Oh, we have Philip Jones here as well. Hello, DJ. We're coming to the end of the flight for the Bronco. A lot of character. That's Tim Jackson flying this, the Hangar 9 Bronco. And this thing is making a nice sharp turn in for landing, keeping the airspeed up and then wings level, landing lights on. Keep that nose just pointing slightly down, let the airspeed bleed off. And a little flare at the end, which is coming now. There it is. The price of London now is round of applause for Tim Jackson. Good, Tim. All right, Bob. All right. Thank you so much, for giving that part of the round of applause.
This is my Hangar 9 OV-10 Bronco, designed and developed by Ali McGinsky for Horizon Hobbies. This certain one was the first one in the UK to fly. It's powered by two RCGF 35 rear exhaust engines, spinning 1710 three-blade props. It's a lovely plane to fly. comes in at about 21.4 kilos wet, and it's just, yeah, it's a bit of a trainer really. It's a beautiful thing to fly. Lights are an added extra, but it's an ARTF, so you can get it in the air fairly quickly, and for something this size is really great.
You've got two 35cc engines. Hello, Lee. Landing lights on. Keep that nose just pointing slightly down. Let the airspeed bleed off. And a little flare at the end, which is coming now. There it is. Price of London now is